Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an amazing recipe for tomato facial ice cubes that fades scars, dark spots, and pigmentation 3 times faster. I have been using these tomato ice cubes for the past week every single day. One amazing thing about these ice cubes is it melts into the skin super fast, leaving the skin incredibly soft and instantly brighter. It also fades scars unbelievably faster. If you want scars and dark spots to fade away quickly, I would highly suggest you give these ice cubes a try. For making the ice cubes, take 4 medium ripe tomatoes and cut them into small pieces. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C, which can prevent and treat acne. It also brightens dull skin. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, the phytochemical that is responsible for the beautiful red color of the tomatoes. It's a very powerful antioxidant that greatly prevents premature aging of the skin and gives a natural glow to it. Once you've cut the tomatoes, grind them to a fine paste in a blender without adding any water. Now strain out the juice to get a very fine smooth juice. Straining the tomato juice is important, else the tomato ice cubes will not be smooth. Also, make sure to use ripe tomatoes and grind them without adding any water for best results. You don't have to separately do this. When you're making tomato puree for gravies or curries, just make sure to save some for making the ice cubes. Once you've strained out the juice, add in half teaspoon of kasturi turmeric powder to it. Finally, add in a tablespoon of lemon juice too. Mix well to combine the ingredients well. Make sure to use kasturi turmeric as it does not stain the skin like normal turmeric. Both turmeric and lemon juice also fades all blemishes very quickly. Now pour this mixture in an ice cube tray. Usually, these ice cubes take around 4 hours to freeze completely. They also store well. Once they freeze completely, you can store them in a Ziploc bag and use them whenever you like. Once you've poured the mixture, freeze them till they harden. Tomato facial cubes are now ready. These are one of the best facial ice cubes I've tried so far. Even you'll agree with me if you try them. To use, take an ice cube and rub it directly on the face. You'll find it melting immediately into the skin. Rub till the ice cube melts completely into the skin. Personally, I don't mind using the ice cube directly on my skin, but if you don't like to use it directly, you can wrap it in a thin muslin cloth and then use. Within a week of regular use, you'll find all scars and blemishes fading away very quickly. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.